Hello everyone, we're back at the shop today at Global Hybrid Batteries working on a 2018 Ford Fusion Energi plug-in. Going to be removing the battery here. So starting off for this one here, we're going to remove the negative terminal from the 12 volt battery to disconnect the power from the car. Remove the back seats here, and to access the key here, it's actually behind the seats. So we would have to disconnect the service plug here. And now when it comes to the trunk, you're going to have to remove all the side paneling. And in order to remove the side paneling, some of them are clips, some of them are screw-ons. But once you see them all, locate them, remove them, and you'll be able to pull it out. This also has to come off. So now we have access, complete access to the battery here. So as you can see, it is protected here by this metal casing. This metal casing here is for safety precautions, helps keep the battery in its spot. And this is how it is when you're looking at it from the back seats. So let's get started on this here. So there are some fan vents that are going to have to be removed. You are going to require a 10mm. So once the fans are removed, you'll have more access to the harnesses, the switches. So there are fans on both sides. This is the left-hand side, and the other one before this was the right-hand side. To get access to the harnesses and switches, you're going to have to remove that metal casing there, and then take anything that you see connected to the battery, you'd have to disconnect it. This one here was a little bit tricky. I actually had to open the top cover and reach in there to pull this one out. So now, as you can see, everything has been pulled out, and onto the other side. Sorry, it's a little bit difficult to film while working on this here. So I removed the switches on the other side. Now I came over to this metal casing here, or I guess metal brace, I would say. You'd have to remove all of these. I did have to use a manual tool. They were on there pretty tight. So now we're looking at the battery here. This ventilation would have to be removed. Some clips here, they are a little bit annoying, but just be patient with them. Make sure not to use force. Force sometimes can do some damage, so just try to get in there best you can. Be as gentle as possible, and just the clips come right out. There we go. This one was a little bit of a struggle here. So this is what it's looking like. Remove this here. Now there's some more harnesses that we'd have to remove. This one here, the orange one at least, it was a little bit tricky. There is some print on the key itself letting you know where to press and where to pull. And then once these harnesses and switches are removed, I brought it up onto the back seat here, and then I took it out from the side doors. And as you can see here, the battery has been removed. Now we're going to go ahead with the installation.